Okay, so let's have, for example, integral of x plus 1 dx all over x plus 3 squared. So as you can see on our equations, so kung expand man natin siya or we do a division, hindi pa rin possible kasi the numerator is in first degree, then yung baba, second degree. So, naka-proper fraction siya. Okay? So, may technique tayong tinatawag. Ito yung tinatawag nating add zero technique. Okay? Which method natin sa mathematics para ma-transform natin yung integrand natin para maging equal siya with other, hindi lang maging equal, para magkaroon lang tayo ng cancellation purposes, masimplify natin siya, and so on. Okay? So, para ma-split natin siya. So, we apply this having, kung 3 to, diba, dagdagan natin ng ilan yung taas. So, yung taas ay x plus 1, dagdagan ko ng plus 2 minus 2. So, yung process natin na to, ito yung tawag nating add zero. Kumbaga, nag-add ka ng number, pero binawasan mo din sa kanya. So, 2 minus 2 is still a 0. Okay? All over, may dx pa dito, no? All over x plus 3 squared. Okay, from here, pwede na nating i-simplify siya. Magiging x plus 3 minus 2 all over x plus 3 squared dx. Mabubukod na natin. So, same denominator naman siya. If you can see, pwede natin gawin, no? Meron tayong a minus b all over c squared. So, magiging a over c squared minus b over c squared na to. Ayusin ko lang to. Ayan. So, ano mangyayari? So, magiging integral of x plus 3 over x plus 3 squared dx minus integral ng 2 over x plus 3 squared dx. Okay? So, now we can simplify here. Mababawasan na to. As, ayan na. As is. So, magiging we have integral of dx over x plus 3 minus, isolate na natin si 2, integral of dx all over x plus 3 squared. Obviously, in this part, madali lang. Diba? If you can recall, yung ating ln, pwede natin gamitin siya dito. So, paano yun? Diba, if we have integral of du over u, sagot lang dyan ay ln absolute value ng u plus c. Okay? So, we can have an answer here na equal kay ln x plus 3. But plus c, plus 3. Okay, dito naman sa part na to, apply natin lang yung power rule ng integration. Diba? And also the letting u muna pala. I-let u muna natin si x plus 3. Then ang du natin ay dx. Okay? So magiging, ang given na natin ay 2 integral of u negative 2 du. Negative 2 kasi ta-transform natin or aangat natin yung 2. So pag i-integral lang natin, apply natin yung power rule na u n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So magiging sagot natin dito ay 2 times u na 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1 plus c. So, magiging 2 u raised to negative 1 all over negative 1 plus c. Okay? So, as you can see here, ito ay negative. So, magiging equal na lang to kay negative 2 over u plus c. So, negative times negative, kasi na-negative na dun. So, magiging plus 2 all over, ano ang u natin? X plus 3 plus C. This will be your answer. Okay? So, ayan po. The integral of quantity of x plus 1 dx all over x plus 3 squared is equal to ln absolute value of x plus 3 plus 2 all over x plus 3 plus C.